Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, messages, notes in the browser, wherever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen, just like that. And basically all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on got it, and you will find it right here. So let's enter the settings as I said and enter the languages. Here we've got the list of all previously added languages. So as you can see, we've got only English. Let's tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards, languages from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use and you'd like to set. And basically all you have to do is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, sometimes, of course, depending on the region, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let me pick this one. And here we've got the keyboard types. In my case, in this Urdu language, we've got 3 different keyboards. Sometimes you will be able to pick up to 5 keyboards. Sometimes you will have only 1 available. It of course depends. I will pick this second one. So let me tick it and untick this option, and let's tap on done. As you can see, it has been applied to this list. So now let's go back to the keyboard and check. And basically, here we've got one difference. Right now, at least, here we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. What's more, here we've got another difference, the spacebar. Currently, we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so we always know which keyboard we've got applied. So I'm typing Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the English one, and as I said, here we've got the name of the language. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages here, and here from this tab, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and I will remove the Urdu one. Let's tap on this trash bin icon, and again we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the globe icon, which simply means that we cannot change the language, and we've got only 1 applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.